Fully autonomous operation is the operation mode with the highest degree of automation and is suitable for most yield types. Fully autonomous operation requires you to plan fields in advance by measuring fields and generating corresponding routes. Then, the Agras drones will execute the routes. There are three planning methods for fully autonomous operation: walk with RC, walk with RTK, and fly the aircraft. When using walk with RC, you need to move around the field holding the remote controller while the Agras drone is powered down. Add waypoints based on the field dimensions, and then generate the route. Note that the precision of walk with RC relies on ordinary satellite positioning, so a larger indentation distance should be set when editing the route. All DJI agriculture drones currently support walk with RC, which is the most basic planning method. Walk with RTK and walk with RC share the same basic operations, but due to the high precision positioning RTK module embedded in the remote control, walk with RTK provides centimeter level positioning precision. Walk with RTK requires connection to RTK signals. Network RTK is commonly used, which requires a strong network. Walk with RTK is supported by T10, T20, and T30 drones. Flight planning is also called waypoints. In this mode, the drone pilot flies the Agras drone around the field and adds waypoints during the flight. This planning method is suitable for large regular fields with few obstacles. You must judge boundaries and obstacles via the FPV screen on the remote control. The field's precision of flight planning depends on the positioning precision of the Agras drone. If RTK positioning is enabled, centimeter level positioning is available. If only ordinary satellite positioning is used, only meter-level positioning can be achieved. All current DJI agriculture drones support flight planning, and all T-Series models support RTK positioning. The waypoint and planning methods on the remote control are the same for all the planning methods above.